Welcome to QShay Excel. Today I am going to talk about how to add, delete or rename a sheet through VBA macro. To run VBA macro, you need to enable developer tab. As I have already discussed on my previous sessions, so I am not going to cover it now. You have to just go to the developer tab. To record a macro, you may click on this button or you may go from this button. I'll choose from this button, and it is showing me macro name as macro1, which is a default name by the recorder. So I'll just click on OK. Now you see recording is now started. To add a sheet, you may use Shift F11 or this sparkling page. I'll use this sparkling page. Now to delete a sheet, you may click on the sheet, right click on the sheet and choose delete. This will give you a notification data may exist in the sheet selection. Okay, delete. As we already know, there is no data. So now we have added a sheet, we have deleted a sheet, we just need to rename sheet 3. So I'm going to rename it as R. So all the three things has been covered. Now we'll stop the recorder and we'll go to the Visual Basic Coding. To go onto the Visual Basic Coding, you may go from here or you can hit Alt F11. So I'll choose to hit on Alt F11. Module is already created and the code is already added. So to add a sheet, you may see that we have missed to add a sheet. No, we haven't. So we'll just copy from here, sheets.add. we just need this one, and then we'll use the code to delete a sheet. To delete a sheet, you may use this one, name sheets, sheet 4. So I'll write R and then dot delete. And to rename a sheet, you may use this one, sheets, existing sheet name R. No, I'll choose sheet 1 dot name is equal to R. Don't be confused, I'm using R. I'm using it because see, these are the module name. Sheet 1 is the module name. Here sheet 1 is the sheet name. Sheet 2 is the module name. Sheet 2 is the sheet name. Now things will more clear here when you see the object name is sheet 3 and the sheet name is R. So what this code is going to do, first of all let's comment this one so that it won't run when we run the macro. Now what this code is going to do is, this is going to add a sheet with the object name as sheet 4. Then this is going to delete a sheet which is this one, sheet 3 object and name R. And now again this is going to change the sheet 1 name as R. Let's quickly run the macro and see how it's going to run it. This has shown us a notification, data may exist in the sheets selected for deletion. To permanently delete the data, press delete. We already know there is no data, so we may click on delete and then F8. To go forward to the code, you have to use F8 and then close. So now as I have already said, sheet 1 object name is now changed to R, sheet 4 is now added, and which sheet is deleted? Sheet 3 is deleted from here. So now we just need to stop the display alert that had come that was asking to save the data before deletion. So we are going to stop that display alert by application.displayAlert is equal to false, and then we are going to enable it because it's going to disable display alert if we won't enable it. This is quite necessary to disable and enable the display alert and the screen update. Screen update is like when you use the code, things, the Excel sheets flickers. So to stop the flickering, you may use application dot screen updating is equal to false, and here you can enable it. Application dot screen updating is equal to true. So let's start this code and see what's going to happen. Before starting it, you need to change the sheet 1 as sheet 2 because you already see sheet 1 name as R. So let's start the code. We'll press F8 and you see things are changing. Now sheet 1 is removed because its name was R, and sheet 2 is now added with the name R, and one more sheet is added with the object name sheet 5 and sheet name sheet 6. So thanks for watching this video. There are many more videos going to come forward and you will definitely like it. If you like this video, do subscribe, do share, and do comment below. Thank you.